5 best tips to speed up computer and laptop performance. So if you want to speed up your computer and laptop performance, then the first tip is to remove the junk from your computer. So first, we need to click on the Windows icon, right click on it, and then go with Run. Once you're here, now here you need to enter prefetch and then go with OK. This will open up a new window, right? So here, this is the temporary files. So these are the temporary files. What you need to do is simply press the Control A, and then you can simply press Shift Delete and go with yes and delete all of these temporary files. And the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply go with the Windows, again right click on it and go with the Task Manager. Once you're here in the Task Manager, you just need to simply go with Startup Apps, and here we need to disable the unwanted programs. So now, for example, I'm not using the Steam right now, so I'll just go and disable that, or I'm not using the Spotify. So right click on it and then go with disable. Once you've disabled, now you just need to simply go and disable the things that you're not using. Go with Grammarly and then go with disable. And once you've done this, your problem will be fixed. But don't disable any Microsoft services. Just disable the apps which you are not using right now. And the next thing we need to do is to clean up. So right click on the Windows, go with Run, and here you need to enter clean mgr and hit the enter. And select the drive from where you would like to clean up. So I'll be choosing C drive. Go with OK, and you will get this kind of interface. And here, make sure that you checked all of these boxes. Once you've checked, now you need to go with OK, and yes, delete the files, and it might take some time. And the next thing you need to do is just open up your settings. Under settings, now here you need to go with the power settings, or simply go with the system, and then go with power and battery, and you will have an option of power or power options. But if you don't have the power options right here, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then go with the search, and under search you need to search for power options. So under your power plan settings, so either you can reset the power plan or set the balanced or high performance. So here you can select the restore default settings for this plan. So somehow if it's not letting you to change the power plan to high performance, you can always reset and restore it to the defaults. Once this is done, you just need to simply go and restart your computer, and then you'll feel the difference. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.